Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Drive file upload problems. So if you are experiencing issues when you upload files to Google Drive, in this video, I'm going to show you some steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. First, you need to ensure that you have stable internet because a weak or unstable connection can interrupt uploads. You can use an online speed test to verify your internet connection. You can just go search speed test and tap on run speed test. If possible, you can also switch to a different Wi-Fi network or use mobile data. And you can try to clear the browser cache and cookies because a cluttered cache or corrupted cookies can interfere with file uploads. So you can just go to your browser settings. In this case, I'm using Chrome, so go to settings, privacy and security, and tap on delete browsing data. In here, just clear the browser cache and also cookies and tap on delete data. Next, you can also try to use an incognito or private browsing window. You can just tap on new tab, click on this three dots icon and choose the new incognito window. So you can open Drive using this incognito mode and try uploading files to see if extensions or browser settings are causing the issue. And as you know that Google Drive limits file uploads to 5 terabyte, except for Google Docs file which have smaller size limit. So ensure your file format is supported and also the file size is not exceeded. You can also try to close all tabs and relaunch the browser first and make sure that you are using the latest versions of Chrome, Firefox or another supported browser. And if you have extension like ad blockers or private tools, it can also interfere with upload. So you need to disable the extension one by one. So you can just tap on uh, the three dots icon, extension, manage extension, and disable the one that I mentioned before if you have any. So if the browser version isn't working, you can also try to the desktop or mobile Google Drive application. Just download it on your computer or use it on your mobile. And don't forget to check the available storage. Make sure you have enough storage space in your Google Drive account. And you can also just try to restart your computer or phone to clear temporary glitches. And so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.